this video, we're going to take a look at this Manfrotto mini tripod. This is the Pixi version 2 in black. This is a really nice mini tripod that's great for using on a table or with a small camera, and you can also use it as a handle. But it's really easy to use. It has a 1/4 thread on the top, so you can just thread it on your camera. There's no quick releases to deal with. You just spin it straight on and it locks on. Once you get the camera attached, then you can move the ball head just by pressing down on this little button here. I did notice once the camera's on, you get a little more leverage and you can move it out of place if you really try hard. But it seems like the camera would hold itself up just fine. I don't notice it moving much when I hold it like this. You can also use the Pixi as a tabletop microphone stand with the correct thread adapters, or you can use it as a monitor stand or for other video accessories like a recorder. So to deploy it, you just open the legs up and then you're in business, and you can level it very easily if your tabletop or your surface is not level. So I really like this because it's so simple and compact and easy to use. I got it to use for vlogging style setups where you can hold it out, or just as an extra handle for shooting like this. It also is really handy for using on a tabletop when you're just trying to get a simple shot that doesn't have to be framed up perfectly. I think it's great for musicians, for guitar players who want to make guitar covers as well, because you can put it on your desktop and point it straight at your guitar instead of having to deal with a big bulky tripod or a clamp-on setup. You are a little bit limited with how far you can point the Pixi down, but I was honestly a bit surprised at just how far down it actually could point. This tripod is made of aluminum and plastic. It's a little bit hard to tell what parts are plastic and what are aluminum, but it feels durable enough and like it should last a long time. I think the weakest part of it is the ball head mechanism because it has this little press lever. It's really convenient to use. I'm just a little worried about the longevity of it, but I've heard people have used these for years with no issues at all. I really like how small and compact it is, so it can easily fit in any camera bag or case, so you've always got it ready to go, or as a gift to get for your creative friend. A mini tripod like this can help you be more creative because you don't use it in the ways that you use a full-size tripod. It makes you think a little bit more about your framing and where you're able to get the camera to put it at the correct level with when you're shooting. Another great use for the Manfrotto Pixi is to pair it with a cell phone mount so that you have a small portable setup for taking video with your phone. I would definitely recommend picking up a different type of clamp than this one though. That way you can shoot vertical or horizontal video with it. So if you're looking for a small tabletop tripod and handle for your camera, I highly recommend the Manfrotto Pixi mini tripod. I have links in the description below to check out the current price, and also if you make a purchase, it'll support the channel at no cost to you. If you have any questions about the Manfrotto Pixi 2, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks for watching this video. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content.